Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to add authentication to our Laravel application so users can log in, register, and log out easily. Step 12, add authentication, including login, register, and logout. In this step, we'll add authentication to our Laravel 12 CRUD application. This means users will be able to register, log in, and log out, and only logged in users will have permission to create, edit, or delete posts. Step 1. Install Laravel UI. By default, Laravel 12 doesn't include built-in authentication. To make things easier, we'll use the Laravel UI package to generate it automatically. Open your terminal and run these two commands. Composer require Laravel UI. Laravel uses Composer to download and install the Laravel UI package into your project. This package gives you a simple way to generate authentication scaffolding, including login, register, and password reset pages using either Bootstrap, Vue, or React. Once installed, you can use the next command partisan UI bootstrap auth. This command tells Laravel to generate the full authentication scaffolding, including all the login, registration, and logout routes, as well as the corresponding controllers and blade view files. It also sets up Bootstrap for your front end, so your authentication pages automatically come styled with Bootstrap components. After running this command, your app now has ready-to-use authentication. You can start testing it right away. Step 2. Install front-end dependencies. To include the Bootstrap styles and JavaScript for your authentication pages, run the following commands in your terminal. npm install. Laravel uses Node Package Manager or NPM to download and install all the front-end dependencies listed in your project's package.json file. This includes tools like Bootstrap, Vite, and other JavaScript packages that Laravel needs to compile your front-end assets. In short, this command prepares your project for styling and front-end functionality so your authentication pages look clean and modern once compiled. Next, run the command npm run dev. This command uses Vite to build and compile all of your front-end assets like your Bootstrap, CSS, and JavaScript files. Now run the command ppartisan serve. This command starts Laravel's built-in development server. Once it's running, you'll see a message showing your local server address, usually something like http 127.0.01 8000. By default, it will display the post list page from our CRUD application. If you don't have Node.js installed on your computer, don't worry, you can skip this step. Your Laravel app will still work perfectly fine, just without the Bootstrap styling on your authentication pages. Step 3. Run migrations. Laravel already includes a built-in migration for the users table. To create this table in your database, run the command ppartisan migrate. Once it's done, your database will now have a users table that stores all the registered users for your application. Step 4. Protect roots or require login. We only want logged-in users to manage posts. Open your controller located at php controllers post controller. Pop. Then add this code inside the class. This ensures that all post-related routes now require users to log in before accessing them. Step 5. Update routes. Open your routes webpip file and replace the old routes with the following. This setup ensures register, login, and logout are available for everyone. Posts can only be accessed by logged-in users. So after login, users are redirected directly to the post list. Step 6. Add login and logout links in the layout. Open your layout file located at Resources, Views, Layouts, App, Blade, P. Then add this small navigation bar right before the main container. This simple nav bar shows login and register links for guests, and once a user logs in, it displays their name along with a logout button. Step 7. Test the authentication. Now let's test your Laravel 12 authentication setup. First, visit register in your browser, create a new user account. When you visit register in your browser, for example, http 127.0.018,000 register, Laravel automatically shows the user registration form that was generated by the ppartisan UI bootstrap auth command. You'll see a bootstrap-styled registration form with fields for your name, email, password, and confirm password. Go ahead and fill out the form, then click the register button. Laravel will automatically create your account, log you in, and then redirect you straight to the posts page. From here, you can now create, edit, and delete posts, but only because you're logged in. Now let's test the logout and login features. Try visiting posts again. Notice that Laravel redirects you back to the login page because only authenticated users can access that route. Now go ahead and log in using the same account you registered earlier. Once logged in, you'll be redirected back to the post page where you can again create, edit, and delete posts. Now that you're logged in, let's create a new post. Click on the Create Post button. You'll be taken to a simple form with fields for the title and content of your post. Enter a sample title and some content, then click Save. Laravel will store the post in your database and redirect you back to the posts list page where you'll see your new post added successfully. Now let's delete a post. On the post list page, find the post you want to remove and click the delete button. Laravel will automatically remove the post from the database and refresh the list. You'll see that the post has been successfully deleted. After login, you'll be redirected to Home, which redirects to Posts. Visit Posts. You can now create, edit, or delete posts. Logout. Try visiting Posts again. You'll be redirected to the login page. Let's wrap up with a quick summary. You've successfully added authentication to your Laravel 12 CRUD application. Protected routes. Only logged in users can create, edit, or delete posts. Great work! Your Laravel CRUD app is now more secure and fully functional with authentication. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next Laravel tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.